During my leisure time, I enjoy watching English movies to enhance my language skill. I'd like to know if you are currently pursuing your studies or working. Hi guys, this is me, Malak Mikhail, and I hope all will doing well. And today we will be learning English in a new way. Inshallah نن به انګلیش په یو نوې طریقې سره زده کوم په یو نو میتھډ سره هغه هم د IELTS ټیسټ په مدد سره ټیک ده کوم چې انټرنیشنل انګلیش لینګویج ټیسټینګ سیستم دی نو اول فسر خو تاسو دا ټیسټ وګورئ چې IELTS دا کوم ټیسټ چې دی دینه بعد چې په دې ټیسټ کې کم مشکل الفاظ کم مشکل سنټنس هغه یوز شي هغه استعمال شي نو هغه به بیا په خپل ټیسټ په اند کې تر ټیسټ په دې اخیره کې به هغه په ساده پښتو کې ډسکس کوو ټیک ده لیټس گو welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS exam. My name is Malak Asad and I will be your examiner for this part of the test. And I'm recording this for clerical purposes. Okay. The time right now is 3 o'clock and we are conducting this test in Pakistan. This is the candidate number 97667132 and examiner number 4732. The speaking has 3 sections. I will give you instruction for each. May I see your identification? Yes, certainly. This is my passport. Here you are. Okay, thank you. This is the first part of the test and I'm gonna to ask you some question about yourself. What is your full name, please? My full name is Malak Mikhail. You can call me Mikhail just like everyone else do. And where are you from? I'm originally from Sawat, but currently I'm residing in Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. I'd like to know if you are currently pursuing your studies or working professionally. At the moment, I'm a BS nursing student at the Nightingale Institute of Nursing and Health Sciences. I'm particularly interested in patient care and clinical practice, which I find both challenging and rewarding. And what do you do in your leisure time? During my leisure time, I enjoy watching English movies to enhance my language skill. And I also make it a point to work out regularly to stay fit and healthy. Now I'm going to ask you the final question of this part of the exam about your family. I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers and 1 sister, and currently my father residing abroad and my mother is at home. This was the first section of this test. Now we're gonna go to the section 2 and I will be assign a topic to you and first you will be think about the topic for 1 minute. You can also note with yourself and after that you will be speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, here you are. I took admission in BS nursing because I have always wanted to help sick and injured people. And also my some cousin, they also told me about that you should to take admission in BS nursing because they also belong to medical field. And I decided to take admission after completing my intermediate studies and I researched different health courses. But the nursing, it's attached me the most because it combines practical work at the hospital with learning about medical care and treatment. Okay, this is enough for you. And now we're gonna go to the section 3. This was the section 2. It's also completed. Now we're gonna go to the section 3. Okay, thank you. What time you go to your college? I usually go to my college at 8:30 in the morning. Which subject do you prefer in nursing? My favorite subject in nursing is medical surgical nursing. I like it because it teaches about different disease and how to take care of patient in hospital. I enjoy learning practical skill and understanding how to help patient recovers. This subject is very important for me because it prepares me for the real life situation and my future career as a nurse. Now we should to discuss the typical words and phrases, okay? The first one is here you are. Here you are the matlab de mungche chale yu shiz warko mungche da wakla ne padda time ke mung se istimal here you are de pazet disem istimal wala she take it or here you are tadi yo matlab de ठीक था. Another one is residing. The residing was some matlab de residing se de residing way use do था ठीक था. यो कस ची पे यो ziki usigi dagi tasawi residing لکه فرض کا زه تاسو وایم چې زه په پاکستان کې اوسېږم نو I'm residing in Pakistan. لکه اوس زه تاسو وایم چې هغه په فلسطین کې اوسېږي they are residing in Palestine یا they are residing in Japan. هغه په جاپان کې اوسېږي یا په فلسطین کې یا پاکستان کې یا امریکا کې نو د اوسېدو ته څه residing living ورته ویل شي I'm living in Pakistan یا I'm residing in Pakistan ٹھیک ده. The another typical word is work out. Work out څه ده دا وایي exercise ته مونږ چې exercise کوو لکه یا جیم ته لاړ شو هلته exercise کوو یا هسې بل ځای کې exercise دا کوو نو هغې دپاره مونږ څه استعمالولی شو work out ټیک ده. work out exercise ته وایي. Another word is siblings. Siblings چې دی دا رونو ته او خویندو ته دې ته په شریکه څه وایي دې ته وایي siblings ٹھیک ده. که زه تاته داسې وایم چې ستاسو رونه دي څو خویندې دي نو زه به تاته وایم چې how many siblings do you have. دې مطلب دا چې ستاسو خوریانې دي څو رونه دي. که فرض که ستا یوه خوري او دوه دي رونه نو ته بیا داسې ویلی شي I have 3 siblings. I think this is enough for today and I hope you will be learn something from it today. And if you learned something, please write in the comment what you learned new from this video.